What the fuck are you doing?
Oh god, flush! Oh fuck! Ah! God damn it!
What the fuck was that?
Ah!
Hey, where are you going, man?
God, I gotta take a shit. A fat fucking shit. God damn, I don't have a shovel. I don't have anywhere to bury it. I don't even have toilet paper. What the fuck am I gonna do? Oh, I have a portable toilet. A portable potty. That's exactly what I needed. Holy fuck. And it's perfect for so many things, like drinking soup out of. Oh my god, this thing's just amazing. And it's made out of a biodegradable material, so you can just fucking trash it whenever you need to. This thing's great for taking a fat shit. Oh! As you can see, I took a fat shit in it, and like I said, it was biodegradable, so we're gonna shoot the shit out of it, literally. Well, I don't get to use my AR-15. The hollow sight's not bright enough in this daylight, so we're just gonna have to use this other rifle I brought out here. Shoot the shit, and yeah, let's see how that goes. There we go. I think I literally shot the shit.
I think you did. All right, ready when you are.
I think I hit it.
I think you hit it.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we did have a phone set up to record the toilet blowing up. So sadly it stopped recording after overheating and we ended up losing that footage. But you live and you learn.
Well, we definitely shot it. Yeah, it came up in pieces, man. There. My phone. Holy shit, get a shot of my phone. Threw shit all over it. Well, there's definitely been poop in this. I don't know where the bullet hole is. Huh. Well, there you go, it's not bulletproof. Well guys, if you liked that video, leave me a like. Maybe I'll shoot some more 3D printed crap. I mean, literally. And, you know, like, subscribe, and come around for my next video.